Hey there, everybody. Happy Sunday to you. I am King 5 meteorologist Leah Pezzetti, taking a deeper dive into our forecast on this first day of summer. That's right, summer is here, everybody. It's felt like it for a couple weeks, but officially the summer solstice is here as of today. It was early this morning, so we can officially say it's summer, and you won't have a meteorologist to correct you. So we're going to take the next half hour. We're going to dive deeper into the forecast. We have multiple first alert weather days heading our way because this summer heat is on the way once again. We're talking water safety. We're talking wildfire risk and outlook. We've got a lot to unpack over the next half hour. So let's first begin with our forecast. A quick little overview of the highlights. Of course, today is the first day of summer, June 21st. Welcome, everybody. And as we know in the Northwest, what this means for us is this is the day with the most daylight. It is just about 16 hours of daylight. That sunrise just after 5 a.m., that sunset just after 9 p.m. So the summer solstice officially was at 1:24 a.m. It has come and gone. It is summer, everybody. Let's take a couple live looks around the sound right now. We have Bellingham, Everett. I think that's actually Everett twice in the bottom left corner and Tacoma again in the right-hand corner. But everybody is showing blue skies today. Absolutely beautiful conditions. Here's a look at our current temperatures right now. 60s and 70s for most of Puget Sound. Over along the Olympic Peninsula, we are sitting mostly in the 60s. Same thing, 60s and 70s for our higher elevations. And it is a little bit warmer off to the east, 70s and into the 80s. Yakima is covered right now, but Yakima is at 84 degrees, so not far off from Wenatchee. So temperatures definitely are on a warming trend, but they're still sitting pretty today. By the way, happy Father's Day, everybody. Got to mention that as well. Not only is it the first day of summer, but it's Father's Day. If you have not called your dad, call him. I know that's me. I forgot to earlier, so I'm going to do it after I'm done talking to all of you. But yes, happy Father's Day to all of you dads and father figures out there. I'm gifting you with lovely weather, and I want you to take advantage of it. So one more time, current temperatures are really pleasant right now. But do you notice the difference? You might, because on average, we are about 5 degrees warmer than we were at this time yesterday. And some spots are even more drastic than that. Bremerton's actually up 9 degrees compared to 24 hours ago. Bellingham is up 6 degrees along with Seattle and Olympia as well. We're actually a little bit cooler off to the east, but Western Washington is definitely feeling the warmer temperatures right now. This is kind of a baby step in that warming trend direction, and that is going to continue over the next couple of days. In fact, we have a massive leap forward the next few days. Temperatures are skyrocketing into the 80s, and in fact, it does look like we'll tap 90 degrees once again the next couple of days. So Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday are the days we're really keeping an eye on. Those are the days that will be anywhere from around 15 to even closer to 20 degrees warmer than that seasonal average for this time of year. In fact, don't forget, normal this time of the year at SeaTac is 72 degrees, but we are looking at 80s and into the 90s the next couple of days. Tuesday is the warmest day of the next few for Puget Sound, but we're still holding on to the heat on Wednesday as well. And then we have a pretty drastic pattern shift into the second half of the week that is going to bring not just cooler temperatures, but for the first time in a while, cooler than average temperatures. So we're going to take a dive into the 60s as we head into Friday and Saturday as well. And with that, we are also keeping an eye on some rain chances. It looks like we'll stay dry the next couple of days, but we will see those rain chances moving in. Some spots could see some sprinkles as early as Thursday, but it looks like Friday is really the next chance for rain, and Saturday as well. Thursdays, it looks like more so a transition day. We'll watch some clouds increase, but looks like the rain will be back Friday and Saturday, which, to be completely frank, is a welcome sight because it has been so darn warm the last couple of days and weeks. And as we look forward, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we have issued first alert weather days. Those temperatures really jumping up. Tuesday is when we're going to see the warmest conditions. We have heat advisories that have been issued all 3 days though. So those heat advisories are going to start around the region on Monday. Pretty much everybody will see them on Monday and Tuesday. For some spots, we'll let them expire on Tuesday, but some spots will hold on to it until Wednesday. We'll unpack that more in just a little bit, but the big picture that I want everybody to know is that really the next 3 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, are the days that we are keeping an eye on. It does feel very fitting that first couple days of summer are going to absolutely feel like it. So I know what many people are doing. You're diving in the water. That is what you should do. Find ways to stay cool, but of course, our bodies of water are still cold. They're definitely warming up. I'm seeing some big changes, but still chilly. Lake Washington, Lake Sammamish, especially at the surface, definitely a little bit warmer, right around 70 degrees. Puget Sound is still a brisk mid-50 marker, and then actually our rivers are still nice and cold as well, upper 40s into those mid-50s. So it is going to be cold, especially in the rivers. Don't forget, that is fresh snow melt. That is our snowpack that we got, well, a little bit of our snowpack. It was a kind of sad snowpack this year, but that's fresh snow that is melting into our rivers, fueling those rivers, so that's why they tend to be a little bit colder. So please just keep that in mind. Cold water shock is an extreme risk this time of the year, especially because our bodies of water just take that much warmer to warm up that compared to our air. Our air can fluctuate day to day. We see that daytime highs, overnight lows. It fluctuates so quickly. Water does not swing as drastically. The pendulum does not swing. So we need to be patient with our bodies of water and remember that even though our water temperatures are definitely, our air temperatures are definitely warming up, our water temperatures take a lot more time. We have to be patient. So keep that in mind the next couple of, I'm going to say weeks. Typically, as we get into July, that's when those bodies of water start to warm up to a more manageable, comfortable threshold. But we're still continuing to keep an eye on that. And we also are out and about talking to the people who are trying to stay cool, because I know it is so important, especially when we see those temperatures in the 80s and 90s. We want everybody to find ways to stay cool.